Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2010 Mustang. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 4.0-liter engine, and comes with a 5-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, power mirrors, traction control system, remote trunk release. Inside you'll find leather upholstery, Bluetooth, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering, dual airbags, tilt steering wheel. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.